All right, just a quick, probably YouTube short level video. I bought a new charger from Buddy RC. It's going to coincide with my logo build. I'm going to put 8S packs in it. Oh, that's just a new blade grips. I lost my old ones when I was vacationing in the Philippines. I left them on the beach. Alright. And ISDT. That was a toss-up. I almost got myself the P20. The reason being is I was going to make a direct DC charging kit to take to the field and power it off of my Honda generator using server grade Meanwell. You can get the power supplies refurbished for like $130 easily. We'll run a 2,000 watt setup, and why would you use a refurbished Meanwell power supply? Trust me, these things are designed to run servers for thousands and thousands of hours uninterrupted. So buying a used refurbished one for like $130 is a spectacular deal. They're normally easily $400 or $500 for a good high-end Meanwell power supply. Anyways, back to this. I went with the dual AC/DC mode. I got reservations about that because a lot of times in these types of units you end up with a failure on the AC side and the DC side ends up still running strong. It'll be my first ISDT dual charger. I have a Toolkit RC one, but that brand's got a spotty enough reputation, so I went with this K4. It came highly recommended. We'll see how it works. I have no opinion on it yet, other than it is, like everyone said, heavy. But this will be good for a home charging station to get me started on my 8S packs. And that was the core reason I bought this. I got 1 to 6S chargers, but I don't have anything that'll charge an 8S cell. So, thank you.